mid-afternoon and it's siesta time. I don't care what the wind is doing on land. It's how choppy the waves are. That's my concern. It's a short travel day to the Isla de Ometepe.
Ometepe is a big island in the middle of the lake, and freshwater lake. Also, the lake has a shark.
Oh, really?
Unique in the world with freshwater shark, because this lake has a connection with the San Juan River to the ocean. That's the reason we can have a bull shark here.
Colorful sign, and yeah, I'll take the guide's advice to avoid the sharks. Hi, I'm Matt, and welcome to this edition of Borders on Budgets. On this episode, we are taking the ferry to La Isla de Ometepe because the winds are strong. Eagle Park in Malindi, Kenya. Paint me. Intimate feel. Buying the ticket is easy enough. Look for window number 9, 50 Cordoba, or $1.50. So if the intro was a little hurried, that's because the boat, she leaves on time. And yeah, the ferry is the option this afternoon because frankly, I don't trust a lancha or a small boat in these waves. Aquí, señor, mi boleto.
Hey, okay.
Gracias.
Yeah.
That Nicaragua shares leftist ideologies with its Caribbean neighbor of Cuba, perhaps it isn't surprising that a boat is named after Che Guevara, the Cuban revolutionary. This is the ferry that will take us to Ometepe. Tight passageway between the vehicles. We haven't even left port, and I'm already feeling the instability of the weight and the wind. El Capitan. Es como el Titanico. Rocking and rolling on the open lake, and now comes the boom, boom, boom of Latin American music. Let the fiesta begin. Oh, mucho dinero. Oh. Not a great view on the lower level, but it does offer some stability and it is better ventilated. Yeah, these folks might have the right idea. Ometepe has 2 active volcanoes, both of which offer hiking opportunities. Just how I like my volcanic cones, with a sprinkle of cloud. I guess when you've crossed this lake often enough, you would know when you could take your afternoon siestas. Well, the party seems to be coming to an end as we arrive at the port of Moyogalpa. Well, that don't take long to clear the ferry. One boat full of passengers leave, another ready to enter. Feliz Navidad! And with the Volcán Concepción behind me, this is the port of Moyogalpa. This has been another edition of Borders on Budgets. A reminder, Borders on Budgets. Local people, natural sounds, not a lot of money. On the Isla de Ometepe in Nicaragua. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you on the next episode.